Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To view the Apps for Website settings in Windows 11, open the Settings app window and then click the Apps button at the left side of the screen to show the app settings for your computer to the right. Then click the Apps for Websites button to the right to show the Apps for Websites settings at the right side of the Settings app window. To choose which websites can open in an app installed on your computer instead of a browser window in Windows 11, click the desired website and app buttons toggle switch to set it to either the on or off position. Websites shown below the name of the associated app will open using the app when the setting is set to the on position. To open those website links using your default web browser instead, set the toggle switch setting to the off position. To close the Settings app window when finished, click the X button in its upper right corner.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.